Hey, trading is pretty easy if you let it be, and right now the chart of Bitcoin is letting it be easy. So what I'm about to show you in this quick flash analysis is an extension of the 1 hour 200 EMA with Stokes trick that I did a long form analysis on, which if you missed that, you can go ahead and click this link that's popping up right now. Go ahead and check that out. This video will make so much more sense. However, let's jump into the charts for this flash analysis. Are you ready? You better be. The 4-hour chart. I have arrows that align to the Stokes. This is price. They align. This orange line is the 4-hour 200 EMA. So this is an extension of the same rules applied to the 1 hour 200 EMA. However, this gets bigger and badder moves, but it is the same principle. So price throughout the whole Wyckoff distribution, when it dumped down to 29K over here, could not get above the orange line. Couldn't get above, couldn't get above, couldn't get above. When did the move start? When it got above. Trading's easy if you let it be, right? If Stokes can get all the way down as it did here, and price stayed above the 200 EMA. If that happens, price is very, very likely to stay above the 200 EMA, at least having a shelf life of that rule for about a week or two. The 4-hour chart typically has a shelf life about 1 to 2 weeks. So you can see here, even though price wasn't simply getting above the 200 EMA at these moments, however, when Stokes came down, price could not stay above. Therefore, because price broke below the orange line as Stokes came down, you knew that this likely was not going to be the lower low. You get a red mark. Now, when price was barely able to peek its head above, what people should have been looking at is, hey, will price be able to stay above the orange line as Stokes go down? It gave one fake out here. It looked like it was going to. However, on the second attempt, it failed the line. So on the next little pump up, you had Stokes make an aggressive turn down while price itself maintained a very strong structure. So any breakage above this little trend area here would have been a good long signal based off of this very simple rule. So what we're going to do here is we're going to take a look at what is happening in current price so you can be in the know on Bitcoin and apply this to your other positions that you have going on. Flip your phones and get flipped off because you can't hit the like button if you don't flip your phone vertically. And also take a quick moment to leave a quick comment for me, even if it's a period without the tampon, or yell something extremely random like I like sporks at Taco Bell. You should hit the bell because it's time sensitive information that I'm delivering to you. Help me help you. We are in this together. Okay, let's dive back into the charts. So make sure you follow me on Twitter at 𝐾𝐢𝐬𝐵𝐪𝐻𝑑𝐚, the number 2, at 𝐾𝐢𝐬𝐵𝐪𝐻𝑑𝐚, the number 2, 𝐾𝐢𝐬𝐜𝐝. All right. Current price action. It is clearly below the orange line. What is very curious about this is that Ethereum is not. If you see all the separation that price has from the orange line, and on Bitcoin, that is simply not the case. You might be bullish if price can get up here, but that is not the time actually to be super bullish because you cannot measure strength without measuring the weakness. What do I mean by that? Just follow these simple rules. When it comes up, you measure the true strength in terms of sell power. Once it can rest upon here, if the 4-hour Stokes can make a big downturn, get close to the bottomed out line or completely bottom out while price is above the orange line, that is when you get the green signal. And until then, it is a question mark. If you want to learn how to set up a chart just like me so you can understand price action a little bit better, you're going to want to click this up here. If you want to see one of the most important videos that I've ever made within my most important videos ever playlist, go ahead and hit this link here. It's going to help you understand price action a lot better. If you were too lazy to flip your phone earlier and hit subscribe or hit the like, go ahead and hit the circle that's in front of my mouth right now. Y'all just got Timified.